everyone, and welcome back to the Moon Boots tutorial series. My name is Guy, and as always, I will be your tour guide today. So, I am looking to tell you guys about our theme tool, which is one of my personal favorites. I absolutely love that we spent so much time and effort making an incredible theme tool that allows you guys to make your platform exactly as you want it and unique to you. So, first thing you do is click on Operations, head to Settings, scroll on over to Theme, and click that button. Here you'll be presented with our theme tool interface. As you can see, first things first, from top down, you have the ability to use a list of curated fonts for your titles, which appear up here. And you can use these for the other. I actually got it wrong. This is the title, and this is your body. Cool. So, as you can see, you could also upload custom fonts here, and they will end up in the drop-down list when you click Save. So let's just go ahead and test it out. I want Supermagic. As you can see here, there's a preview window that shows you exactly what's going on in your platform. Pretty easy, pretty handy, pretty cool. We'll keep and use it Grotesque Regular because that's a great font. So I hit Save, and immediately you can see the platform is updated with the new font choices. Moving on General, you'll find this to be the primary color of your browser, which acts as the color of buttons and things like that. We can test it by clicking this. You'll see here that the button is now changed to green. And then this is a background, but what you may not notice is it is a deep background. So surrounding the platform in the very outline is where you'll find this background. It adds a nice accent to it and helps kind of focus in on your content. So you can leave it the same or add whatever you'd like. Then you've got your login page. Here you can add the welcome message, welcome to the theme tool. You can adjust the background, the card background, and then you can change the profile picture here. So you have complete control of what it looks like. And then if you are the type of business that needs a release of liability or a message that they need to opt into, then you can leave it here. And when your new members sign up, they will be prompted to read and then click accept on the release of liability. Then if you choose to close the subscription access to your platform, you can add a message here that says, hey, subscriptions are currently closed. Please add your email and we will notify you as soon as we open back up. Cool, that's your login page. Then from here on, account, content, discussion, operations are all pretty much the same. You can add a primary and a secondary color to create a cool gradient effect. And then you can choose the color of your page title and just feel free to, experiment a little bit. Here, unique to account, you can ask your members a question in the account page. So when they sign up for the first time, you can prompt them with a question like, what are you looking to get out of this platform the most? And they'll answer it, click Save, and then you can actually see their answers. Here, you have the ability to add an introduction video. So as soon as someone signs up, a video can pop up. You can say, hey, welcome to my platform. This is what you can expect moving forward, so on and so forth. And then you can add a paragraph that accompanies that video. So that's your account page, and then content, discussion, etc. are exactly the same. Moving on, this is your subscribe page. This acts as a landing page. So right before your new member is prompted to pay, they will land on this page where you can sum up your offering and show a video, show images or whatever. It's essentially a custom landing page that you will use to remind people what they'll get for joining your platform. So you design this out and that's about it. Once you're satisfied with your theme, you can go ahead and click Save. You name it, click Save. It's there forever. And if you'd rather not design one altogether, here's 18 that I personally built for you. So feel free to use those. Anything you'd like to do, you click this, hit Save, and immediately you are given a new theme. It's that easy. The last option in the theme tool is custom links. So on the left bar here, which we've already made a video about, you can add custom links. So your platform becomes a one-stop shop for all things you and your brand and your company. So this is where you edit your links, add, remove, change icons, whatever you'd like. So that is the brief, quick, down and dirty tour of the theme tool inside the Moon Boots platform. We hope you absolutely love it. We personally use it all the time. All of the themes that I built for the platform, I used the theme tool on. So I have a ton of experience with it. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we can't wait to see how you guys use it. Have a good one. See you on the next.